Post-workout chocolate power mega protein mayhem funk smoothie.
Protein shakes can be such a bore, but a great pick-me-up after a nice workout, so here's how you can add some flavor, texture, and extra healthy carbs and nutrient kicks to it. Easy. You will require a blender for this. Behold the ingredients. 2 bananas, 3 figs, some rice milk, well, any milk you fancy, some water, and a scoop of chocolate-flavored rice protein. Peel the bananas and figs and drop them in the blender. Add the rice protein. Add some rice milk. And finally some water. Depending on the texture and quantity of the liquid you wish to obtain in the end, you can play around with how much water and rice milk you add. Here I am totally going for a really creamy outcome, so I won't overdo it. And enjoy, my friends.